Here's all we need for our tandoori yogurt chicken wings. Chicken wings, of course, 1 lime, tandoori masala, and 1 container of Greek yogurt. I squeezed the lime juice all over the wings and let it sit for about 15 minutes and then washed it under cold running water. Here I have a 7-ounce container of Greek yogurt and 4 tablespoons of tandoori masala. So all we need to do is just blend those two together. Usually I separate my wings, I just cut them in half so that I have the flat portion and the drummies. But today I'm going to do this by just flipping the wingtip over. And see, we have a nice fold there. So I'm just going to do that with all the chicken wings, and that's how I'm going to cook them today. This makes for a nice presentation as well. So now that we have all our wings folded, all we have to do is just take our tandoori yogurt mixture and just rub it generously all over the wings, front and back. Make sure you get all those nooks and crannies, get all those delicious flavors in there. And then when I'm done with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the wings in plastic wrap, and then I'm going to stick them in the refrigerator overnight and bring them to room temperature when I'm getting ready to bake. Now, if you, the tandoori does have a way of getting your fingers painted a little red sometimes, so if you prefer, you can use disposable gloves to do this part of it. So now I've just covered my chicken wings with plastic wrap, and I'm going to marinate it overnight in the refrigerator. Remember, if you marinate in the refrigerator overnight, to bring the wings to room temperature before baking. Now I'm going to pop the chicken wings into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven.